Hello my dear children, good morning to all. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are happy. So in this COVID days, reminding you, don't go outside unnecessarily. Always use sanitizers whenever necessary. And also, yes, keep social distancing. Have a balanced diet. Drink plenty of water in order to improve your immune system. Okay. So next we can move on to our Swamiji's quotes. Moving on to our Swamiji's quotes. Today's quote is, to love and to be loved is the greatest blessing. What does that mean? Yes, you have to love everyone. Isn't it? You have to love your mother, you have to love your father, you have to love your siblings, your teachers, your friends, your neighbors. Yes, then only you will get that love back. If you show hate towards others, they will also start hating us. So always love others, then only you will be loved. And that feeling is the greatest happiness in our life. Happiness. Okay, so to love and to be loved is the greatest happiness. Okay, so moving on to our today's topic. In our last class, we studied about a poem, and that was, yes, I am lucky. Okay, so once again, I will read that poem for you. Take your textbook and just listen.
I am lucky. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a mynah in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. Once again reading that for you. I am lucky. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a mynah in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. Next page. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So, I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you. Once again reading. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you. Okay, last stanza. What do you think you want to be? We all have wishes. അല്ലേ നമുക്ക് ആരെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ പോലെ ആവണം എന്നൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ചിന്തിക്കാറുണ്ട്. What do you think you want to be? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആരെ പോലെ ആവണം? Do you want to be like me? എന്നെ പോലെ ആവണോ? The question is, do you want to be like me? വേണോ? No, or just you, just you. അല്ലേ? Be yourself. നിങ്ങൾ എപ്പോഴും നിങ്ങളായി തന്നെ ഇരുന്നാൽ മതി. No need to imitate others or no need to be like others. Always like, yes, always be yourself. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you. അപ്പം നിങ്ങളോട് ആരെപ്പോലെ ആവണം എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ, yes, you have to say, I want to be myself. അല്ല, എനിക്ക് ഞാനായാൽ മതി, എനിക്ക് എന്നെ പോലെ ആയാൽ മതി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. Okay. So that is what we are learning through this poem. നമ്മുടെ പോമിൻ്റെ മോറൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അതാണ്. Always be yourself.
In the poem we studied about, yes, many creatures, that is butterfly, myna, fish, kangaroo, elephant and octopus. So then we learned about, yes, 6 creatures. And what all we learned? Yes, if I am a butterfly, I will be thankful for the wings. I am a myna, I will be thankful for that beautiful sound. Then, yes, if I was a fish, I will be thankful for that. Yes, I can wriggle and giggle in the water. Then, if I was an elephant, I will be thankful. I will be thankful for that long trunk. Then, if I am a kangaroo, I will be very thankful that I can hop. Then, yes, about our octopus, I will be thankful for that 8 arms. Okay, so this much we studied about that creatures. And about you, yes, you don't want to be others, isn't it? You don't want to be like others, isn't it? Yes, you are you and just you. That means I am I and just I. Don't imitate others. Always you are you. Be yourself. That is always good. So that is the moral of the poem. Okay, so when you are imitating others, imitate only the good things that they are doing. Imitate imitate. Don't imitate their bad habits. Clear? Okay. So today we are going to do the text exercises. Take your textbooks and you can do it with me. Okay, listen my dear children. Here I have written the name of certain creatures. That is a butterfly, a myna, a fish, an elephant, a kangaroo and about you. Okay, we have to do this blank. We have to fill this blank. That is, first one is done for you. First one is actually a butterfly. What can a butterfly do? What can a butterfly do? Yes, a butterfly can fly. Yes, the first example is given in your textbook. A butterfly can fly. So like the same way, you have to fill all these things, yes, by what they are doing or by what they can do. Okay, clear? Okay, first one is a butterfly can fly. Second one, a myna. In our poem, it is given that, yes, myna can sing sweetly. So we can write a myna can sing. Clear? Next one, a fish. Fish actually in the poem, yes, our poet says that our fish can wriggle and giggle with glee in the water. So here we can write a fish can wriggle or a fish can giggle. You can write anything. Okay, I am going to write here a fish can wriggle. Next is an elephant. Elephant, you all know that elephant have a long trunk. So what will the elephant do with the trunk? Yes, elephant can raise, yes, its trunk to a great height. So you can write elephant can raise its trunk. Next is about a kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo can hop. What is the meaning of hop? Yes, to jump once. So kangaroo can hop. Next one is about you. Yes, what you can do. Yes, we can do many things, isn't it? Yes, you can jump, you can play, you can dance, you can sing, you can fight, you can laugh, you can write, you can read, anything you can write. Okay, so yes, here we have only written each thing that the animals or these creatures can do. But in the case of us, we can write anything, 2, 3 or 4 examples that we can do. Okay, that is, you can read, you can write, you can sing, you can dance. Okay, then you can put that etc. there. Okay, once again we'll read all those answers for you. First one, a butterfly. A butterfly can fly. C-A-N, can fly. F-L-Y. Then a myna. Myna can sing. S-I-N-G. Third one, fish. Fish can wriggle, W-R-I-G-G-L-E. Listen, you can also write giggle, okay, G-I-G-G-L-E. Then one more thing also you can write, that is swim, S-W-I-M, okay. Here I use the word wriggle, W-R-I-G-G-L-E. Then fourth one, an elephant. Elephant can raise trunk. തുമ്പിക്കൈ ഉയർത്താൻ കഴിയും. So that's why I wrote here can raise trunk. R-A-I-S-E, raise trunk, T-R-U-N-K. Then kangaroo. Kangaroo can hop, H-O-P, hop. And the last one, it's about you. What you can do. We can play, we can read, we can sing, we can dance. Yes, we can do anything. So, etc. Clear? Okay, once again we'll read. A butterfly can fly, a myna can sing, a fish can wriggle, an elephant can raise trunk, a kangaroo can hop, you can play, read, sing, dance, etc. So shall we move on to the next exercise? Okay. Okay, next we are moving on to the question answers. Our first question is, why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? Okay, for example, if we are considering our body parts, eyes, nose, mouth, cheek. Yes, if we are considering everything, our hands, legs, we love our body parts, isn't it? Yes, in that case also, why we love our body parts? Why we love your eyes? Why we love our eyes? Yes, because we can see with our eyes. That's why we love our eyes, isn't it? Yes. Then we love our hands. Why? Yes, we can hold anything. Like I we can raise anything with our hands. That's why we love our hands. Isn't it? Yes. And also why we love our face. You all love your face. Yes, why? Because you are beautiful. We all are beautiful. Isn't it? Yes. So, എല്ലാവരും കാണാൻ സുന്ദരിമാരും സുന്ദരന്മാരും ഒക്കെയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമുക്ക് നമ്മളുടെ മുഖം കണ്ണാടിയിൽ കാണാൻ ഇഷ്ടം തോന്നുന്നത്, അല്ലേ? യെസ്. സോ ഹിയർ ഓൾസോ ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ്, വൈ ഡു യു തിങ്ക് ദാറ്റ് ദ ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ ലൈക്സ് ഇറ്റ്സ് വിങ്സ്? ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈയുടെ വിങ്സ്, ചിറക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടാനുണ്ടാവുന്ന കാരണം. യെസ്, വൈ? യെസ്, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ യൂസ് ഓഫ് വിങ്സ്? യെസ്, വി ക്യാൻ ഫ്ലൈ വിത്ത് ദ വിങ്സ്. So here we can write the answer. The butterfly likes its wings because it can fly. Okay. Yes. So the answer is it can fly with its beautiful wings. That's why butterfly likes its wings. Okay. So why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? The answer is it can fly with its beautiful wings. Clear? Okay, moving on to the next question. Second question is, what can the myna do? You all know what can the myna do. Myna can do? Yes, the myna can sing. The myna can sing sweetly. You can also write the myna can sing sweetly. I just wrote the myna can sing. Okay, myna can paadan. Isn't it? Yes, the answer is the myna can sing. Then third question, what can you do? Actually, in our previous exercise, we wrote what can you do. We can play, we can dance, we can jump, we can sing, we can write, we can read, so that we can love, we can hate. Yes. So, in the same way, you have to write what all are the things that you can do. It's a homework for you. Will you do it? Yes. So you can write I can. What can you do? Answer I can. I can sing, dance, write, read, anything you can write. Okay. So the third one is homework for you. Write in the notebook and yes, send it to me. Okay. Fourth question, do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് എന്താണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്? ഫിഷ് വാട്ടറിലാണുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. Isn't it? Yes. So what do you think? Is fish happy in the water? Fish വെള്ളത്തിൽ happy ആണോ sad ആണോ? Yes. Fish നമ്മൾ വെള്ളത്തിന്റെ പുറത്ത് എടുക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് fish ചത്തു പോകുന്നത്. Fish dead ആണ്. അല്ലേ? So here actually the answer is yes. Fish is very happy in the water. So answer is yes. Do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? The answer is yes. Moving on to the next exercise. Let's write and act. Listen, 4 questions are given here. 4 questions are given here. You have to read these questions and then you have to fill in the blanks. One more thing. Yes, while you are writing, you have to act. In the word that word you have to show by acting. Okay. Either word act. Okay. So first one, if I were a kangaroo, I would dash. What is the answer? Hop. H-O-P. How will you hop? Yes, you have to jump once. Isn't it? That is hop. So, if I were a kangaroo, I would hop. The answer is hop. H-O-P. Then, second one, if I were a tiger. Tiger and the yes, you can make roaring sound. Isn't it? So, if I were a tiger, I would roar. The answer is R-O-A-R. You have to roar. Tiger yes, you have to roar. Then third one, if I were a fish, what will the fish do? Fish yes, it can swim. Isn't it? So I would swim. S-W-I-M. So what you should do? Yes, you have to show. Yes, swim action. Okay. Then last one, if I were a bird. Yes, if you were a bird, what will you do? Yes, we will fly. Isn't it? So the answer is fly. F-L-Y. So clear? First one, if I were a kangaroo, I would hop. Then if I were a tiger, I would roar. If I were a fish, I would swim. And if I were a bird, I would fly. Okay. So hope you understood today's class. Once again, I will read the poem for you to understand the pronunciation. Okay, so read with me.
I am lucky. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So, I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. Next page. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you.
Today we learned, yes, 3 exercises including the question answers. Okay, so complete it and send it to me in my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, you can call and ask. So hope you understood today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you all.